Hey guys, if you're getting the account storage full message inside of Gmail, then keep watching as I'm going to show you how we can solve this. So I'll be showing you this on a mobile device, but if you are using a laptop, you can still follow along as the steps will be somewhat similar. So all you need to do is launch the Gmail application on your iPhone. So in order to fix this, we first need to free up some space on our Gmail. So in order to do this, you just need to hold down on the very first email that's at the top of your inbox. And then now you'll see this option appear for select all, and that's going to go ahead and select all of my emails. You can also scroll all the way down to the bottom here like so, and that's going to pull up even more emails down here. And then now if I come over to select all, you can see it's selected 300. So you basically just need to go through your emails and delete any unwanted emails, and you can just hit the trash icon at the top when you're done, and that's going to go ahead and remove them. You'll also need to check your other folders as well. For example, if I click on the navigation in the top left, you'll see we have all these different folders: social, promotion, spam. So just go through each of these folders and make sure to delete any emails that you don't need. Also in the spam folder, we can select empty spam now, and that's going to also clear up some space. And then once you've cleaned up your email account, we're just going to head out of this for a second, and then you'll need to head over to an internet browser. I'm going to be using Safari. Now make sure you're logged into your Google account, and then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. Select manage your Google account, and then just click on the search icon at the top and type in storage and select account storage. Now this will give you a little bit more information about exactly how much storage you have and where this space is being allocated to. So you can see actually for Gmail, I'm only using 1.82 gigabytes, and most of my storage is coming from this Google Drive at the top here. So obviously we can scroll down here and you can upgrade your storage. That's going to give you some extra storage instantly. But if you don't want to upgrade and you just want to free up some space, what you need to do is click on the service that's using up the most amount of space. So for me, it's my Google Drive. So I'm just going to click on this link next to it. And then from here, you'll just need to delete any unnecessary files and documents to once again try and save some space. So if you're trying to do this from the Google Drive here, I'd recommend doing this directly in the actual application itself. It's a lot easier to delete things. And then once you've ensured you have adequate space in your Google account, you can head back over to Gmail and you'll need to force restart the application. So to do that, you can just drag your finger up on the screen like so, and then you'll need to drag this application upwards to close out of it, and then we can restart Gmail, and that will have now solved the error message. You can also just restart your device and that will also clear the message for you. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you fix the account storage is full message. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.